Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Morgan from Homeschool in the Woods. Today we're going to show you what a lesson looks like in Gather Round, so stay tuned. You ready? Everybody? Claire?
I'm ready.
Are you ready to school?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm
you
ready.
little man. Alright, so we are on lesson...
Pencil.
Yep. We're on lesson 6. Yeah. We are on the nervous system, part 2. So, here we go. Alright, I'm going to do a quiz to see what you guys remember from our previous lessons. Okay? Alright. Abram? Hey, do you remember what the biggest bone in your body is? Okay, what was it called? You remember? What did it start with?
F.
So what was it? You know?
Flapper.
Do you know?
Femur. Flap.
Chloe knows. What is it?
Femur.
Femur. Alright, what was this big arm bone right here called?
The arrow.
Now, what was it called? It starts with an H.
Humerus.
What about your jawbone? What was that called?
Chin.
What was that? It starts with an M. Remember?
Mandible.
Mandible. Alright, here's a question about the brain.
I said that arrow.
What side of your brain controls like creativity and stuff? Where does your creativity come from? Which side? Which side?
The left.
No.
Right.
Side.
Right.
So what about your left side of your brain? What does it control?
It controls your hair. Logic.
Mm-hmm. Like things
Like
like
math
and science and logical things come from the left side. So, now listen, while you color your picture, we're going to read. Okay. Our bodies have billions of neurons, also called nerve cells, that make up our nervous system. These neurons are special cells that create and send messages through a nerve impulse from one part of your body to another. All of these messages travel on an information highway. That's why we're coloring a highway, see? Like the roads we drive on, back and forth from the brain to the other parts of the body. Well, hurry. Alright, today we'll learn all about nerves and the peripheral nervous system. But let's take a closer look. Okay, you're going to have to be quiet when I'm reading, okay? Let's take a closer look at the neurons first. Okay, neurons are large cells with a very complicated structure, and each can be different from another. Despite their differences, all neurons have a cell body, dendrites, and an axon. The cell body has a nucleus, just like all cells in our body, that controls the nerve cell, kind of like the brain of a cell. Okay? See? This is the nucleus. So what would be the brain of the neuron?
The circle in the middle.
The nucleus?
Nucleus.
Yeah, the circle.
The cell body and the dendrites.
This right here is the nucleus, so it's
What about
kind of
the
like the
dendrites?
brain.
Cell body. The dendrites.
Dendrites? Here, we'll read about it. The dendrites branch off the cell body and receive messages from other neurons nearby. So that's the dendrites. See these?
There's a cell in the brain that has 6 brains.
Difference. Okay. Spinal nerves. There are 12 pairs of nerves.
I can't write my name.
Yeah, you can. O-W-E-N. There are 12 pairs of nerves called cranial nerves that come directly from the brain and connect to different areas. These nerves leave your brain and go mostly to the head and neck, while one goes directly to the abdomen. Each nerve has a different purpose, including nerves that help us smell, see, move our eyes, have feeling and movement in our face muscles, move our tongue, hear, and have balance. The only cranial nerve that does not do something for our face or neck is the vagus nerve that goes to our abdomen or stomach area. I wonder where that is. See if you can point it. I can't see it very well in the picture. See the vagus nerve? See that right there? See that little like black line right there?
No.
You can't see that black line? That's the vagus nerve.
I can see it because I was hidden.
Right there? You see it?
Yeah. Give me a diaper.
Alright, Owen.
Don't tell him.
What is it? Don't look, don't look.
Is Chloe opening her
I
eyes?
love it.
A bandage.
It's a baby.
You looked.
Look. Okay, Chloe, let's ride.
Oh, yes, to be good.
I feel of it.
It's a zip-up bag.
Yes. Alright, Claire, you're the last one.
Always. Don't be a diaper.
Why would I have a diaper? Okay. Don't look.
Toothpaste.
Well, it's not toothpaste, but it's close.
A baby wiper.
It is hand cream. Now listen, when your hand touches something, like we just did. Here, listen.
Mama, I'm gonna do it again.
Okay, in just a minute. The mechano, I don't know how to say that. Receptors in your skin are alerted, and they start a chain reaction, sending a message to the nearest neuron. So what is that? Does anybody know?
That's a neuron.
Here's our human body chart. We can
No,
flip him
I wanna
over
do it.
and do
Mama, look at my picture.
flip him over
on
and
my
see the
thing.
different
Mama,
systems.
Look, my picture.
So this is what we've been using. What?
My picture.
Very nice. Here, I wouldn't have to quit. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on our notebooking, our notebooks. Oh, and you can't while I'm trying to record. All right, so we have to read this page together because this is like, everybody has this page. So we are going to read this. Yeah, but, huh? That's my book. Give me my book.
I had this.
All right, so who wants to read? Does anybody volunteer? All right, Chloe's gonna start reading. Everybody,
Read it.
everybody listen. Now listen to Chloe.
A neurologist is a doctor who specializes in the study of medicine that deals with any illnesses coming from the nervous system. Because the nervous system is so complex, figuring out the exact problem in a person who has a neurological issue.
Okay, put your label it there.
Hurry before all the glue goes away.
Okay, one more. So what would that one be?
This one.
It's axon terminals down here. So we need to glue this one on. All right, Owen, you about ready to start your gluing? All right, you got all your words? Find all your words.
I don't.
Okay, we'll find them. Good job. Okay, let's see what you got going. All right, we also have some, let's see, compound words. Last week we learned that a compound...
No.
Hey, listen. What was a compound word? Do you remember?
Compound word.
Do you remember?
A compound word.
Yeah, but what is it?
I know.
It's two words put together, right? Like cowboy.
Oh, I know.
All right, so we learned that it's two separate words combined together to create a whole new word. Today,
Like notebook.
we're going to be word surgeons. There are a number of words in your appendix that have been broken apart. Your job is to put the words back together like a surgeon who puts people back together when they're injured. So you're going to be a word surgeon. Let's find your words.
Mama, I got them.
Okay, good. You're doing good. Owen wants to do early reader like Abrams, so he has some pages for early reader. What are you doing, Chloe? You doing your rewrite? Is it hard?
Mama.
You're a good writer, though.
Mama.
You can do it. Hey, Claire, tell me when you're done, okay?
I'm done.
You're done with that? I think you have to do compound words, too. Yeah, so we gotta find your compound words to cut out, like Abram. See?
Oh, I know that.
All right, read your free write for us.
If I could have any pet in the whole world, I would choose a dog. A male dog that is an Australian Shepherd and name him Jack. I will train him to be a very smart dog, and he will know how to do tricks, and Jack will grow up to be strong and live to be 20 years old. He will live to be a good and strong guarder, and we will love and care for him just like he does to us.
Good job.
Let's see.
Hurry, your glue is drying.
Yeah.
Get them on.
Mama, a
We're running
grasshopper.
out of glue, so.
Grasshopper and horsey.
What?
Horsey.
So you need seahorse. Good job.
Yeah.
Looking good. You got another page to do.
Huh?
Okay, go ahead.
If I had a superpower, it would be flying, like I can fly upstairs in the house.
Alright guys, so that is what a lesson is looking like for us in Gather Round. I didn't do as much today just because I have to do canning today, so we didn't do more of the hands-on stuff today. I was planning on doing some Play-Doh stuff, but that just didn't happen. But yeah, so that's what Gather Round looks like for us. So if you enjoyed, please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.